Title 24 is the California Energy Code, establishing energy efficiency standards for buildings in California, both residential and non-residential. The code undergoes updates every 3 years, with the current version being Title 24, Part 6. A key aspect of Title 24 involves specific lighting requirements for kitchens designed to meet particular efficiency benchmarks. Lighting contributes significantly to energy consumption in homes, so mandating efficient lighting helps reduce energy expenses and greenhouse gas emissions. The disclaimer required on the kitchen lighting disclosure form confirms that the kitchen lighting complies with Title 24 regulations. This disclaimer, mandated by the code, ensures homeowners are aware of the energy efficiency standards their kitchens must adhere to. It's crucial to understand that Title 24 isn't a plot, but rather a set of regulations aimed at reducing energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions. Compliance with the code contributes to a more energy-efficient home and a reduced environmental footprint. There are several benefits of Title 24. Firstly, reduced energy costs. Title 24 can lower energy bills by requiring more efficient lighting, appliances, and building materials. Secondly, reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Title 24 contributes to lowering greenhouse gas emissions by mandating more efficient energy usage. Thirdly, increase comfort. Title 24 can enhance home comfort by requiring improved insulation and air sealing. Fourthly, increase value. Title 24 can potentially increase a home's value by making it more energy efficient and comfortable. When constructing or renovating a home in California, it's important to ensure compliance with Title 24. Adhering to the code helps create a more energy efficient, comfortable, and valuable home. Now let's delve deeper into some specific aspects of Title 24 and how they relate to kitchen lighting and other areas of your home. Title 24 addresses various components of a building's energy consumption, including lighting, heating, cooling, ventilation, and insulation. The code sets performance standards that buildings must meet, and these standards are designed to reduce overall energy usage while maintaining occupant comfort and safety. Regarding kitchen lighting, Title 24 typically requires a combination of high-efficacy lighting such as light-emitting diode, or LED, fixtures, and controls that allow occupants to adjust the lighting levels to suit their needs. This can include dimmers, occupancy sensors, and daylight harvesting systems. The goal is to provide adequate lighting for various tasks while minimizing energy waste. The code also specifies requirements for the types of light bulbs and fixtures that can be used in new construction and renovation. For example, it may require that a certain percentage of lighting fixtures be light-emitting diode, or LED, or other high-efficiency options. Additionally, it may restrict the use of certain types of inefficient lighting, such as incandescent bulbs. In addition to lighting, Title 24 also addresses the energy efficiency of appliances, such as refrigerators, dishwashers, and ovens. The code sets minimum energy efficiency standards for these appliances, and it may also offer incentives for homeowners to purchase energy-efficient models. These standards help to reduce energy consumption and save homeowners money on their utility bills. Another important aspect of Title 24 is its focus on building envelope performance. The building envelope refers to the physical barrier between the interior and exterior of a building, including the walls, roof, windows, and doors. Title 24 sets requirements for insulation levels, air sealing, and window performance to minimize heat loss and gain, which can significantly reduce heating and cooling costs. Proper insulation is crucial for maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature and reducing energy waste. Title 24 specifies minimum insulation levels for walls, roofs, and floors depending on the climate zone. Air sealing is also essential for preventing drafts and air leaks, which can compromise the effectiveness of insulation. Title 24 requires that buildings be properly sealed to minimize air infiltration and exfiltration. Windows and doors are another important component of the building envelope. Title 24 sets requirements for the energy performance of windows and doors, including their U factor and solar heat gain coefficient. The U factor measures the rate of heat transfer through a window or door, while the solar heat gain coefficient measures the amount of solar radiation that passes through the glazing. By selecting windows and doors with low U factors and solar heat gain coefficients, homeowners can reduce heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer, which can save energy and improve comfort. Title 24 also includes provisions for energy-efficient heating and cooling systems. The code sets minimum efficiency standards for furnaces, air conditioners, and heat pumps, and it may also require the use of advanced technologies, such as variable speed motors and smart thermostats. These technologies can help to optimize heating and cooling performance and reduce energy consumption. In addition to the specific requirements for lighting, appliances, and building envelope, Title 24 also includes provisions for commissioning and verification. Commissioning is the process of ensuring that a building's energy systems are designed, installed, and operated correctly. Verification is the process of confirming that a building meets the energy efficiency standards of Title 24. These processes help to ensure that buildings perform as intended and that energy savings are realized. To comply with Title 24, builders and homeowners must follow a set of procedures and documentation requirements. This typically involves submitting plans and specifications to the local building department for review and approval, as well as undergoing inspections to verify compliance with the code. It is important to work with qualified professionals such as architects, engineers, and contractors who are familiar with Title 24 requirements and can help ensure that your project meets the necessary standards. There are also resources available to help builders and homeowners understand Title 24 requirements. The California Energy Commission provides information and guidance on its website, and there are also training programs and workshops available to help professionals stay up to date on the latest code changes. By taking advantage of these resources, you can ensure that your project complies with Title 24 and that you are maximizing energy efficiency in your home. In summary, Title 24 is a comprehensive set of energy efficiency standards for buildings in California. The code addresses various components of a building's energy consumption, including lighting, appliances, building envelope, and heating and cooling systems. By complying with Title 24, builders and homeowners can reduce energy costs, greenhouse gas emissions, and improve the comfort and value of their homes. There are many benefits to complying with Title 24. Firstly, cost savings. By using less energy, you'll save money on your utility bills. These savings can add up over time, making your home more affordable to operate. Secondly, environmental benefits. By reducing energy consumption, you'll also reduce your carbon footprint and help protect the environment. This can contribute to a more sustainable future for yourself and future generations. Thirdly, increased comfort. Energy-efficient homes are often more comfortable to live in, with better insulation, ventilation, and temperature control. This can improve your quality of life and make your home a more enjoyable place to be. Fourthly, increased property value. Energy-efficient homes are often more desirable to potential buyers, which can increase your property value. This can be a significant benefit if you ever decide to sell your home. The requirements for Title 24 can vary depending on the specific type of building and the climate zone in which it is located. However, some common requirements include firstly, insulation. Buildings must have adequate insulation in walls, roofs, and floors to reduce heat loss and gain. Secondly, windows. Windows must meet certain energy efficiency standards to minimize heat transfer and solar heat gain. Thirdly, lighting. Lighting fixtures must be energy efficient and comply with lighting power density requirements. Fourthly, appliances. Appliances must meet minimum energy efficiency standards. Fifthly, heating and cooling systems. Heating and cooling systems must be energy efficient and properly sized for the building. Sixthly, ventilation. Buildings must have adequate ventilation to ensure good indoor air quality. Seventhly, controls. Buildings must have controls that allow occupants to adjust lighting, temperature, and ventilation to suit their needs. Complying with Title 24 can be a complex process, but there are many resources available to help builders and homeowners. Firstly, the California Energy Commission. The California Energy Commission provides information and resources on Title 24 compliance. Secondly, local building departments. Local building departments can provide guidance on specific requirements in your area. Thirdly, energy consultants. Energy consultants can help you assess your building's energy performance and identify opportunities for improvement. Fourthly, contractors. Contractors who are experienced in energy-efficient construction can help you comply with Title 24 requirements. Title 24 is an important part of California's efforts to reduce energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions. By complying with Title 24, you can help create a more sustainable future for California and save money on your utility bills. If you're planning a new construction or renovation project in California, it's important to familiarize yourself with Title 24 requirements. By working with qualified professionals and utilizing available resources, you can ensure that your project complies with the code and that you are maximizing energy efficiency in your home. Remember that Title 24 is not just about meeting minimum requirements, it's about creating a more comfortable, affordable, and sustainable living environment. By embracing energy efficiency, you can make a positive impact on your community and the planet. Also, consider the long-term benefits of investing in energy-efficient technologies and practices. While there may be upfront costs, the long-term savings and environmental benefits can be significant. By choosing energy-efficient options, you can reduce your carbon footprint, lower your utility bills, and increase the value of your home. Moreover, staying informed about the latest advancements in energy efficiency can help you make informed decisions about your home and your energy consumption. There are many resources available to help you stay up to date on the latest technologies and best practices, including industry publications, online resources, and professional organizations. By continuously learning and adapting, you can ensure that you are maximizing energy efficiency in your home and contributing to a more sustainable future. Finally, remember that energy efficiency is not just about individual actions, it's about collective efforts. By working together as a community, we can create a more energy efficient and sustainable future for all. This can involve supporting policies that promote energy efficiency, advocating for sustainable development, and educating others about the importance of energy conservation. By working together, we can create a better future for ourselves and future generations.